In this lesson, you will learn how you can use the deactivation feature on releases. Deactivating releases is always useful when a release is over and all work has been delivered. All the test cases has been executed. You can go and deactivate the release. Especially for those who are doing the implementation work, like testers or developers who have to work on test cases, doing execution based on different releases, or creating and fixing defects on different releases. In order to avoid misassignment of releases, it makes sense to use the deactivation feature. So now let's take a quick look how the use case would probably look like for this. So let's go first into the defect module. And now if I would like to open a defect, I can basically see here all the different fields, but I'm more focusing here on this special field called releases, where I have few of those releases like Kanban, waterfall, traditional release, and so on. And if I would select now a release which is over, it could be that nobody is looking into this defect, or a tester is executing test cases and accidentally select a wrong release. Then this is also not so beneficial, as the data is reported nowhere. Yeah? So this is also important to understand, that you don't want users to work on entities and containers which are already over. Yeah? So in order to avoid this, let's go to the release module, select the release which you say is over, like this Kanban release, click on Deactivate Release, and now release has been deactivated. If I would go back now here into the issues module, in the defect, and try to create a defect and look for the Kanban release, you see the list has been reduced, and this is good also for the way of working for the end user, to not have too many items, and even you can type here. It is always best to not provide too much items which could accidentally be selected even the work on those items is over. Same goes for the quality module. So if I would like to plan now a test and would look for the Kanban release, it should probably not be on the list here anymore. So this is exactly what the feature is doing. It is deactivating the releases in order to avoid misassignments.